What's going on, guys? Wanted to do like a sort of end of winter update going on. So it's been absolutely freezing. Snow on the ground everywhere, as you can tell, throughout the lawns, all over the place for most of the winter. At least over a month, almost a month now. When everything melts, it's gonna be a muddy mess. Everything's gonna be a disaster. We usually go back to work the first day of March, or actually a few days before March, but I think we're gonna hold off until the first day of March this year. Once this snow melts, everything's gonna be a swamp. It's gonna be muddy, so things need to dry out. So warmer temps are on the way. Things are looking good. Just a few updates that we did this winter. I'll show you over here. We finally got some racking in this shop right here. Just something little, again, just to keep stuff up. Still doing a bunch of other stuff back there, moving stuff around. I wanted to go over, we've had issues with wheelbarrows the last couple years. So we bought 2 big Cobalts. And we're gonna give them a shot this year. So you guys that do wheelbarrows, let me know what your go-to is. I really don't have a favorite or a preference. We have a couple different kinds, but I'm not sold yet on one or another. We used to use these ones, Groundworks. This is a brand new one, and this one's like 6 years old, from Tractor Supply. I do love them. We use them just for mulch because they're plastic, but again, little issues here and there. But let me know what you guys use. One big thing we did do is we finally got some brand new pitchforks, hand tools, everything in there. I'm not gonna pull it all out, but a bunch of new pitchforks for the spring, for mulching, bunch of new flat shovels there, edging shovels, rakes, did all that, you know, during the slow time. We just got all of the trailers painted. The floors have the non-skids, the insides just have basic wood paint flooring. This would look much newer, but we've had some snow and salting going on, so we've had to use it. The Skag, this thing, had to put a brand new starter on it a few weeks ago. That was the issue there. Wouldn't turn on, so I had to put a new starter in. We did get a brand new Echo pruning saw, DHS 3006 from Echo. They sent it over to us. So awesome to have that. We're gonna definitely put that to work. Rearranging the landscape trailer, guys. A lot going on in here too. It finally got warm, so finally worth it to go outside for more than 20 minutes and get some stuff done. This thing, we got a bunch of new stuff going on in the next week or two in here. I'll make a whole video on that. Mowing trailer, all this stuff pretty much winterized, guys. This is put away. I really don't start playing in here until March while we're out doing cleanups, and I got time to get in here and get the stuff ready for April. Nothing much has changed in here. There's just a bunch of more stuff for storage reasons. So, one thing I will say with this year, it's been freezing and the snow didn't melt. And if you guys are into snow removal and stuff like that, we bought a ton of salt. Every year every year we buy a pallet. Every year I need a pallet, but I buy another half pallet. And a half pallet, it will have for us about 30 bags on it. So with that, all the snow removal we did, we were able to salt and pick up other contracts and other customers because a lot of companies didn't have salt. Luckily, we pre-ordered extra like we always do, and we sit on it. It won't go bad if you store it properly, and this is bagged I'm talking about. Sidewalks, small parking lots, definitely has made the winter worth it. So that's one thing we did there. This stuff, guys, this is like none of this. I'm actually gonna rearrange almost everything in here and do a whole new thing on this, but sauna's in here just for the winter, so that's not going to be there much longer. One thing we did buy, and I walked past it, was we bought another accelerator bagger. I absolutely love these things, and I think next Monday the video comes out on like a 7-year review on one we still use and still have. But this year we bought the jumbo bag. You can see it back here. I'll try to move some of this stuff out of the way. But that's the jumbo version. It's huge, but it's aluminum, so it's light. Awesome baggers. Absolutely love Accelerator baggers. Like I said, I have an in-depth video coming out on this bag compared to the smaller bag next week. So that'll definitely be something to look forward to if you're into bagging and stuff like that, or you're thinking about a bagger for any kind of mower you have. So that's that. Just bought that, and those aren't cheap either, guys. I think that was like 700 bucks, but they last forever. So one thing I did forget to mention, we put new tires on the right, and I just bought a ton of string trimmer line. We use the Black Diamond Echo. I buy a bunch of that in the winter so you don't run out in the middle of July. New tires on here. It was due. This machine's well over 1,000 hours. And you guys will see, we just put tags on everything. Everything over the winter got Sta-Bil, Seafoam, oil, spark plugs, air filter, all of it, guys. It was, had to get done. So, and even now, there's still little things we're tweaking and messing with just to get ready for the spring. But, you know, it is what it is. That's that. And then I'll show you one more thing I like to do right now. Is really sharpening everything, guys. So, slipping on ice. This stuff over here, I usually have this desk filled with hedge trimmers. We're sharpening blades on everything, get everything oiled, tuned up, good to go. And then over here, you'll see I've been working slowly on all the backup blades we have. Pretty much each trailer has a set of backup blades. So if you hit something or you know you destroyed something, it's going to bend a mower blade. Instead of coming all the way back here, we have backup blades in each trailer, one for commercial properties and one for the residentials. But that's what I'm doing right now, is getting all these prepped so all these get stored in the trailers. So besides that, guys, that's about it. Like, we get everything ready now. I don't really want to say we're waiting around, but everything's about done. So come March, you just hit the ground running. You know, that spring rush hits. As soon as this ice melts and this snow melts and it gets warm, those phone calls will start coming in. We got a handful of phone calls before the storm. Now, no one's really thinking about their lawn or the summer or the spring because there's snow everywhere and it's bitter cold all over the place. It's gonna change like a light switch. It's gonna flip, and like I said, it's coming, and everyone knows that. But that's about it, guys. Just doing like it. I want to say that's the end of winter, but you never know. I don't know. But I would say that's like the end of winter kind of update for us, with everything's pretty much ready to go. Doing little things every day here and there just to stay on the ball and, you know, keep things going. But besides that, guys, got a video coming out on those Accelerator baggers and a couple other things before spring, but that should be it. So just getting everything going.